regarding that is now part of the official issuing process that's taking place right now.
We're actually very, very proud on the 16th of March. So it's a great day for us. The next item that we would like to do is to press the button. Now, pressing this button starts this light. Then it starts putting the lights in the light. Just to demonstrate how so you can press it. Anyway. Yeah, the red button. Yeah. Do I go? Yes.
This is one of such great plans that we received here today, and inviting to great reputation that is going to be from this day on. It is now functioning fully after the commission by the still going on. We remain standing, see what is taking place there. Until they go to the second press now.
I press again.
Yeah. For the full count.
Or the full. Automatically after that. Yeah, now we can let all the guys can already starting up there, they need to start to bring the bags. Unfortunately, because of space restrictions, we won't bring the forklifts. Normally, the forklifts will come with pallets and we don't bring it onto trucks. It's just a demonstration.
Now, the bags are going to come down and the picking process will take place right there. Make sure that the text is working as well. We are going to receive those texts. The best two texts for us
This is where in the days we used to have kind of a conveyor that breaks the bag, and then we would manually pick up the bags and then go to trucks. Now,
this is great for the supply and the whole structure that is taking place in private sectors. And we bring the same asset that we bring for this
plant gives us even closer range markets like Mozambique, particularly if we focus on the Thames region, because it was meant to really so from this plant we are able to do some
supply for the banks are coming down to those that use it's bringing them down the package for witnessing the initial process of packaging, making sure that all errors the rest of the stuff to appear. So we are to the factory and we are witnessing what the factory would be even more from the capacity, the quantities that can be produced, and how we can all these supplies to make sure that our management is doing the supply process is there for those that are witnessing it firsthand. This is history in the